Hello everybody, my name is Pamela. Welcome to my channel for the love of beauty. Thank you all so much for tuning in. Thanks to my new subscribers for subscribing to my channel, and thanks to my old subbies for hanging in there with me. What I have for you guys today, I am going to dye my hair back black. I decided to dye my hair back black because I'm going to start back wearing my wigs, because I have to pull out some of my hair with my wigs. So I am going to dye my hair black, jet black, and this is in a C10 jet black by Creme of Nature. So hope you guys can see that. Yes, I decided to dye my hair back black. I've been a blonde for about maybe 8 months. 8 months. So if I do want to return back to being blonde, I will do that. But right now, I want to go back black. Yes. So stay tuned as I do my hair. And I will not be doing any talking as I put the dye in my hair. I will not be doing any talking, just dyeing, shampooing, rinsing, and styling. That's it. So come back with me if you want to see me dye my hair. Hello you guys, I am back. This is what my hair is looking. I haven't bleached it in a while. Like I said, it's been like 8 months since I well, I did a touch up, but it's been 8 months since I've been bleach blonde. So my gray is coming in, and a little blackness is at the root, and I still have a little bleach up here. You guys, my hair is washed, it's clean. So I am going to dye my hair, which I mentioned earlier, with the Creme of Nature. This is in a C10 jet black, and it is moisture rich hair color with shea butter conditioner. So let's go ahead and open the box. Okay. The mango and shea butter ultra-moisturizing conditioner. And I do have my neutralizing shampoo. This is my neutralizing shampoo. It doesn't come with a neutralizing shampoo in it. Nothing but the moisturizer. And it also has the moisturizing conditioner. And it also has a pair of gloves, which I never use. Plastic gloves. Okay, I never use these. I am going to mix the cream color developer along with the hair color. You guys, I have my cat in here. She wanted to come up in here. Let me show you how big she is. Look at her. This is Raven. Say hello, Raven. Say hello. Say hello. Say hello. Her name is Raven, y'all. She knows when I get ready to do a video. She be in the way. I am going to mix it up really well. Shake it up, shake it up, shake it up. And I'm going to cut off the tip. Okay, I cut the tip off. First, I'm really not going to part my hair in fours. So I'm going to put my gloves on. Which I use. These rubbery gloves. Works a whole lot better. And now I am going to add the hair color to my hair. Okay. Look at that. My gray. Alright, you guys. I may do a voiceover, so I am not going to talk throughout the video. I may do a voiceover, okay? Okay, let's get started. Okay, you guys, I am back. This is what my hair is looking like. Okay, I'm getting ready to take a shower. I'm going to wash this out of my hair. I'm going to use this Neutralizer shampoo, and then I am going to use this afterwards. So let me go ahead and take a shower. I'll be right back with you guys. Hello guys, I am back. This is my hair. Yes, it is jet black. Jet black. It's black again. It is black again. Yes, 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 yes. So let me go ahead and put some coconut oil on my hair. And I think I'm going to wear it out tomorrow. Going to wear my hair out tomorrow. Yes. I'm not going to wear a wig or anything now that I dyed it black. Going to wear it out. See. I'm going to add some curling jelly to my hair by As I Am. I am almost out. Going to define some curls in my hair, y'all. Yeah, I already did a tutorial and a review on this product. So if you want to go back and check all my videos or check out my videos, and you will find it. Reviewing the As I Am product. There's some curls, y'all, popping. So I'm not going to do a full style on this video, but just to add some curls, pop up curls. Yes, my hair is growing, you guys. It's growing. I think I am going to put some braids in a couple of weeks. Maybe, you know, I don't know about the box braid, but maybe, you know, some French braids. But we shall see. I don't know. Alright, pop a curls. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. So this is it, you guys. Yes. This is what I had to show you guys of me dyeing my hair back black. So tomorrow morning it will be much better than this. So if I can remember, I will take a picture and show you guys the style. If I have enough time. If I get up early enough. So thank you guys so much for watching. And please stay tuned for many more videos coming your way. Thank you so much for watching. And if you're watching this video, please go ahead and subscribe. Go ahead and subscribe. And also click on that notification bell so that you won't miss any of my videos. So thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.